Do you also want your videos to reach till people who don't know that your channel is there on YouTube? Your answer might be yes. So how do you do it? So today I will be telling you a method how to do it. So the method is adding tags in your video. So I will show you how to add tags in a video now. So first over here we will type studio.youtube.com and then enter, and we end up over here. So then you have to select the account which you want to add tags on videos, and then while uploading also you get the option of adding tags. So I will show you with while uploading also and while we are not uploading. So first I'll show you while we are uploading. I'm uploading it. I will keep it private. So over here we get the option of tags when we do show more over here. Yeah, over here. So we add tags related to the video, like this video is learning never end. So learning never end. So we can separate it by a comma or an enter, and then we have to put related tags like this, and you have to add as many tags as possible. In the next video I will be showing you how to find tags for video appropriately, so don't forget to watch that video also. So like this you have to add tags, and then next, and then if you want to add end screen and cards you can add them, and then over here I am keeping it as private and then saving it. So now if it is a public video it will get uploaded and people can find it. So I will show you now how to add tags to a uploaded video, already uploaded video. We go in it, edit, and then over here we go down, we get this, and we have to type the tags we want to add, and then you can copy these tags and put it in the description so that your viewers can find it easier. So I have copied it and pasted it over here already. So like this you can add tags. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please press the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it now and press the bell icon for getting our latest videos.